Hi, this is Glenn Andrade from Digital Synergy. And stay tuned because in a moment I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube even without a website. There seems to be a common myth about affiliate marketing. That is, people seem to think that they cannot do affiliate marketing without having their own website. Now, this is a common belief, probably because there are a lot of marketers out there that actually do create a blog or have a website to promote their products. This works especially well if you create a website based around a certain niche. So I'm just going to show you a couple of examples here. So for example, this site here is called Nerd Wallet, and this has everything to do with investing, credit cards, personal loans, savings, student loans, as you can see, all these topics here. But what's great about this site actually is it's all content based and that they don't have any of their own products. Everything they do or promote are from affiliate links. So this is obviously a huge site. There's a lot of money and time and energy that went into this. So it's no wonder that most people, feel like they have to have an affiliate site of this magnitude to basically make money. But it's not true. Here's another one, same type of concept. It's called Wirecutter, and they basically do reviews on all types of electronics, home and garden. They have all the niches here, and they just basically review everything. And again, they make their money through affiliate marketing. You can see here, actually, it says Wirecutter is reader supported. When you buy through the links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission. So this is a great example of an affiliate site that makes money without having their own products of their own. So another example is a site that I'll show you that I created, and this is a simple niche site. It's based on EMF radiation, and basically what I've done is I create articles around EMF topics, and I place affiliate links inside of these articles. So the reason I'm showing you this, because obviously I'm saying you don't need to have a website, and that's the whole point here. Like, this is the way people do it. They create blogs and they create the affiliate links, and this is definitely one way to go. But you can actually skip this whole process altogether, and because today I'm going to show you the top 4 ways that you can do this. So let's get into it. Okay, so let me just be clear. If you want to do affiliate marketing, you do not need your own website, but you do need to have an online presence of some kind. So let's count down the top ways. The first way is through social media. Now, if you have your own social media account, most of you already do, maybe have a Facebook or a Twitter account, LinkedIn, Instagram, you name it. It could be a good place for you to start, especially if you have a lot of friends or followers that might actually be more inclined to click on your posts and your affiliate links. As with anything that you do online, you always want to be sure that you provide useful content and that it's meaningful to your audience. And since you don't need your own product with affiliate marketing, you just need to post links on your social media platforms with your affiliate links. So that's number 4. Number 3, now this might seem a little daunting for a lot of people, but it's to create an ebook. And what I mean by that is basically, if you don't know what an ebook is, it's basically just a PDF file with content, valuable content. But the reason why I want to mention it is because you don't have to feel like even if you're not a writer or anything like that, you don't have to be. You can easily outsource this. If you have a little bit of a budget to work with, it's a great way to go. And a great resource to get this done is through a site. Perhaps you've heard of it, called Fiverr. It's a great resource for doing these types of things, where basically you can outsource. Let's see, Create Ebook. And basically these are people who basically put their services out here. They'll do this for you. They'll create premium quality PDF designs, children's story, you name it. There's somebody out there that's willing to do this. There's writers, there's graphic designers, everything that you need to get this ebook done. You can get it done here. And it's great because you just need to, you obviously you have to know your niche. You need to know what you want to be in the book. You create some sort of an outline for them, and they put it all together. Now, the goal here is to create useful quality content, and then inside the ebook, you'll be providing a link to your affiliate product or products. So another, if this is not an option for you, maybe you don't have as big as of a budget, another option for you is to use what's known as PLR or PLR content. And what PLR content is, private label rights. So this is content that's already done, it's already written, and they have all kinds. They have ebooks, they have videos, they have graphics, audios, templates, anything that you can think of. It's already done for you. And there's many sites. All you have to do is Google PLR content or private label rights, and you'll see a slew of different websites that have this, with all different types of niches and products that you can basically make as your own. You can put your name on it. You can edit any way you want. You can claim it as your own. Put your name on it, as I mentioned. So let me show you an example of an ebook that I created using PLR content. And this is for another niche. It's in the dog niche, and I'm just going to show you, this is the actual ebook as it came to me. So here's the cover. It's not going to be quality, top quality. You can use this as is if you wanted to, but if you want to basically customize it, I'm just going to show you a few pages to show you kind of how it came to me and what I did to kind of make it my own and just make it a better presentation. So and again, anyone on Fiverr can do this for you. So I created a better looking cover, a better looking dog, put a logo on it, and then visuals do help. So I put visuals, I put a little bit of color into it, and again, this is nothing, no crazy design or anything like that, but it definitely helps. And I provided value. There's a lot of content here. It's not just like a 3-page book, but I didn't have to write this content. I did go in and edit it and change it to what I felt was quality, because you do have to read it. It's not all the best content that's out there. It's not going to be like the best written piece of work that you've ever seen. So I would advise going in and making changes if you can. And you can outsource that as well. You can have somebody edit it. But the point is here that what I'm providing content, and in the end, I'm giving them, I'm teaching them how to do something, basically training their dog, and in this case, from barking, how to stop your dog from barking. And then I'm giving them an option here where they can get an ultrasonic no-shock bark collar, and it goes to this product right here. So anytime I provided value and like, hey, oh wow, I can get this product as well, and they're doing that all from that ebook. So hopefully that gives you a good idea of what you can do by creating an ebook and putting your affiliate products without having a website. Now, number 2 is forums and online communities. Now, forums and online communities, they've been around forever, but this is still a great place to go for you to get involved with your community. Depending on it's fairly easy to do, but you do need to put in some work. So first you need to find the forums that's best related to your niche, and you just need to create an account, become a member. They're mostly all of them are free. You become an active member, and you create, again, just creating value for your followers or people in that community. Just make sure that you abide by the community guidelines, so that you don't want to just go in there and start spamming links all over the place. That's not going to work, and it's going to get you kicked out. So what you want to do instead is you want to look for people's questions, and you want to tie those into your product, and you want to start gaining trust from people, and you do that by answering questions, providing value first. And once you start getting consistent, and people begin to trust you, and they're going to click on the links that you provide. All right, so that is number 2. And now number 1 is creating YouTube videos. Now, I saved this is the best for last because this is really how you can provide the most value by using videos and how you can make the most money as long as you do it right. And remember, you don't need to be a YouTube superstar to promote affiliate products. All you need to do to get started on YouTube is to get an account, which is free, and you probably already have one. YouTube is a great way to promote affiliate products because you can promote just about anything as long as you provide disclosure of the affiliate links that you're using. Now, when you're creating your YouTube videos, just make sure that they're related to the products and services that you're promoting. And most important, once again, just provide value. Now, in the description, you're going to want to place your affiliate links. So you can also place it inside of the video. You can talk about it, you can reference it, but you want to make sure that they have a clickable link that will go to the product that you're promoting. So there you have it. Those are the 4 top ways to do affiliate marketing without a website. If you want to learn more about how to make money with affiliate marketing in YouTube, just be sure to opt into my 10-part video series below. It's completely free training, and best of all, when you opt in, you're also going to get access to a free training that shows you the #1 way to get your video ranked and get floods of traffic to your videos. So opt in below, and remember, if you like this video, please subscribe, leave a comment, share, hit the notify bell so you can be notified of my latest videos, and stay tuned for my next video where I explain how to get traffic to your videos and why Google actually wants to rank your videos. See you then.